Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get your home ready for Airbnb. Before creating your listing, start by preparing your home properly. Clean your house thoroughly, including bedrooms, bathrooms, the kitchen, and common spaces. Make sure surfaces are dust-free, floors are clean, and the space looks welcoming for guests. Next, focus on furnishing and essentials and ensure there is comfortable seating. Provide a proper bed with clean linens, towels, basic toiletries, and necessary kitchen items. Reliable Wi-Fi, good lighting, and clear house instructions can greatly improve the guest experience. Once your home is ready, log into your content reference OWID site 0D index equals sign 0 IAT site account and click on Switch to Hosting. From here, follow the on-screen setup prompts. You can choose options such as an entire place, a private room, or a shared room. Follow the setup steps and enter accurate details about your property. You can also customize booking preferences like instant booking, minimum stay rules, and cancellation policies. These tools help automate reservations and manage bookings more efficiently. After reviewing all details, publish your listing, keep your information updated, and respond promptly to guest messages. This can help improve visibility and booking success. And that's it. We just learned how to prepare a home for Airbnb by cleaning and furnishing the space, creating a listing, and using host tools to manage pricing and bookings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.